Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how you can change your email on Instagram. Let's dive in. First of all, you log into your Instagram profile. When you get there, you go to your profile section here, and then you see the options. You see the option that says settings. Go to the settings. When you click, you see the three buttons on the top right hand corner here. When you click on your profile, then you see the option that says account center. Click on account center, and then you go to your personal details. Click on personal details, then you see the details here. You click on the contact info here, and then you see the emails that are attached to your account. So you can click on any of these email. Click on this email, and then you can, from here, you can change your email. When you click on delete email, it will prompt you to delete the email like this, and then a code will be sent to your email that is attached to your account. You will be able to enter the code here. When you enter the code, then you click on continue. When you click on the continue, then the email will be removed from your account. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.